Hello, my name is Dr.suresh, and today we're going to discuss the cell references, which is a part of Chapter 6 Advanced Data Analysis in MS Excel. So, if you'll see this Excel sheet, this is the row, this is the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 21, like that. This is the rows, and if you click this is A2. A2 means A column and second row. And if you click here, this is A7, okay, column 1, and this is say 7, so A7. This is the general reference of a particular cell. If you go through the book, you'll see that there are three types of cell referencing. One is relative cell referencing, absolute cell reference, and third one is mixed cell reference. Okay, in Excel, relative cell reference is used by default, and every time a cell reference or range is inserted into a formula or in Excel, a relative reference is used. Okay, now see what is that. So I have given this example here also. Suppose in series 1 and there is series 2, and you want to find out the value, relational value of series 2 to series 1. So you want to find out 90 by 45, 144 by 14, 450 divided by 25, like this. So what formula you will put? It will be here. I have put the formula. So let me show you that is equal to C2 divided by A2. So if you write this formula, it will automatically take 2. So 90 by 45 is equal to, and if we scroll it down, selecting this, then we'll get 11, 18. 11 is nothing but the value of 154 divided by 14. Similarly, this one 18 is equal to 450 divided by 25. Okay, so these are the uh, 18 is the result, and here you can see that this denominator is changing as well as numerator is changing. No cell has been treated as fixed, so it is by default. It is, if you are putting this in C2 by A2, this is taken. When you are talking about absolute cell reference, you are making particular cell as fixed. For example, you want to find out all the values divided by 45. So you want to make it fixed. So what will do? What will do is that I'll show again that here you have to write is equal to in function. Okay, then you have to write, you want to divide C2, and you want to make the A1 cell fix. So for fixing that or locking, you will put $A, then $2. So this is how you will fix it. So then again it is 90 by 45 is equal to 2. Now if you scroll it down to like this, so you can see that the value is 3.422, and how it is been calculated, it is nothing but 154 divided by 45. Similarly, 450 divided by 45 is equal to 10. So this is how it is done. So when you are going to lock a particular cell in a particular formula, then you will apply the absolute cell referencing. Otherwise, you by default it is relative cell reference which is given. Now see the application. First application is number of delivery days, date of delivery. Okay, now see how it is there. Suppose these are the date of placing order of A product. B product is 12/10/2024. C product is 13/10/2024. D product is 17/10/2024. And number of days to delivery is 5, 9, 7, 11. This has been given. So delivery date is nothing but the date of placing an order plus number of days of delivery. So when you are placing order at on 10th plus 5, so it will be 15th October 2024 will be the delivery date. So so this is how it is. The formula is B2 is equal to B2 plus C2. Then you'll scroll it, you'll get the value. So what is that? This this value, the B2 has been added with C2, B3 has been added with C3, B4 has been added with C4, and B5 has been added with C5. But suppose the company has made a policy that it will give the delivery within 5 days. So 5 days, suppose, is the guarantee period within which the delivery will be made. So you want to lock 5, or suppose this cell. So what will do? So date of delivery is B2, that's okay, is equal to B2 plus dollar C dollar 2. Dollar C dollar 2. So you'll add it, you'll get 15/10/2024. If you scroll it down, you'll see that it is 17/18/22. It is nothing but 12 plus 5, 13 plus 5, 17 plus 5. So, in date of placing, we are adding this as fixed cell reference to get the value of delivery date. uh, Absolute cell reference. Now, see the application of absolute reference. Now, see, these are the employees which are working in a company, and these are the birth date. The employer wants to know that on a particular date, what is the age of these people. So, what 23/10/2024? What is the age of these people? So, how to calculate? Suppose, for example, Puja. So, for Puja's age in days, what will do? You will deduct this value from this C2 minus B2. But remember that C2 is going to be constant. Okay, this cell has to be locked in. So it will be $C $2 minus B2. Okay, so this C here, it has been applied $C $2 minus B2. So 23/10/2024 minus 14/2/1996, it is 10,470 So this value, which is absolute reference, is or these value are deducted from this to get the number of days in age on a particular date. Okay, so this is what the uh, use of cell reference is. Thank you.